Okay, so the problem we're facing now, as you can see, I'm logged in as Alicia. I'm going to go to Report Center. And then from Report Center, you see the campaign pick list is empty. Now, what's happening is if I go look at the code, is something that Faye saw on the home page. And that is we're going from here and we're instantiating the object here and the controller right here, and we're passing it to the component. Then in the component, here, not there yet. Well, on this page, then let me go find the class real quick. Report Center. Then in this component here, what you see is there's when we're starting to do the model methods in here, and then it gets passed to the campaign selector. It's really campaign selector that this value gets null. And so Faye found this when she was doing the homepage component. And so in the controller in the homepage, as you can see, what she's doing here is she's getting a sales leader, because will always be a sales leader. Then in the constructor, she's done her instantiation. All right, did her cast. Then she did a get user model. So what's happening is when the page is passing to the title advancement controller, or title achievement component that's here, she has that, but then what she's doing is she's got a get user model and a set user model. So as the user models are being used, it's passing it from the page to the controller to the set to the getter, and we don't have a timing issue. Then in her case, what she's doing is after the set is complete, she then initializes all her metrics, which does all of her code. So really what we need to do is the same kind of thing in campaign selector. Now, the thing in campaign selector that is a little different is campaign selector doesn't just get a sales leader. We have division manager and zone managers that are using that. So we first have to do a user interface. Then we should get the type of whatever it is that how we're getting it. And then we cast to a sales leader, if it's a sales leader or representative. If it's a zone or division manager, we cast to the area manager model object, which would be down here. I would actually rather you go instead of that to either to do zone manager or division manager as it versus a sales leader.